Hello and welcome back. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. I have another delicious recipe for you guys to try. It's sweet chili chicken, and this chicken recipe is sweet but it has the perfect amount of heat and you're gonna love it. But before we dive in, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's go. So starting off, we're gonna need 1 cup of string beans. We're gonna need some bell peppers, red and green, half an onion, and 2 pounds of chicken thighs. And of course, our chicken thighs are already clean, so we're gonna cut them into 2-inch cubes. So once you're finished, we are going to be adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, half cup of flour all-purpose, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of water, and mix. If your batter is too thick, go ahead and add some more water. Next, we're going to set that aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's work on our sauce. So we're going to need a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a cornstarch slurry, a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and just go ahead and ensure that that's well combined. So we're going to set that aside and we are going to fry our chicken pieces. So add some oil to the pan. Ensure that you add the individual pieces of chicken so that they don't stick. And we're just going to go ahead and fry these on each side for about 2 minutes. So after that, you're going to go ahead and remove. And then we're going to fry the remainder and repeat the process. So once all our pieces are finished frying, we're going to let that oil heat up again, and we are going to double fry or flash fry our chicken pieces, and we're just going to do this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And this is just going to make it extra crispy, and it's going to adhere to the sauce so much better. So go ahead and remove. And just look at this. Look at the color already on these. Outside is crunchy, but inside is so juicy. Now to a pan with oil. We're gonna stir fry our vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we just want our vegetables coated with oil. And look at the color already, guys. Next, we're gonna add the sauce that we prepared. And just go ahead and let the sauce reduce until it becomes a honey thickened consistency. And it's smelling so amazing. Next, we're gonna add our chicken to the sauce, and we're just gonna toss and ensure that everything is well combined. Now, listen, guys, you have to try this recipe. When I tell you it's sweet, it has the perfect amount of heat. You're gonna top it off with some sesame seed. You can pair this with rice, whatever you wish, whatever you like. It's quick and easy, super, super, super delicious. The chicken is so tender on the inside, but has a little crunch on the outside, and the sauce just pairs so perfectly with that. Look at it, like the sauce is sticky and sweet. It's so good, guys. Trust me, believe me when I say this recipe is a must try. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you guys in the next video.